In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Customer Match. Customer Match lets you securely upload first-party customer data so Google can find those same people or people like them across search, YouTube, Gmail, and more. It's great for re-engaging past buyers, nurturing leads, and tailoring messages to your most valuable audiences. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Ads. Sign into the account where you want to build the audience, and make sure you're in the correct advertiser profile. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with your campaigns and the top navigation bar. Next, click the construction icon at the top. This is also labeled Tools and Settings and looks like a small wrench. That menu holds many of the features used to configure your account beyond day-to-day campaign edits, including your shared assets and audience tools. From that Tools and Settings menu, choose Audience Manager. This is where all your audience segments live, including remarketing lists, custom segments, and your customer match lists. Think of this as your central hub for who you want to reach. If you're managing multiple brands or markets, it helps to use clear naming conventions here so your lists are easy to recognize later. Inside Audience Manager, click the plus button to create a new audience. Choose Customer List, then select the option to upload the file manually. Before you upload, prepare a clean CSV file with the identifiers you have permission to use, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and mailing addresses. Keep one person per row, use separate columns for each identifier, and add country codes for phone numbers and standardized postal codes where possible. The cleaner the data, the better your match rate. Only include people who have given you permission to use their details for advertising, and make sure your privacy policy reflects that use. In the Setup panel, give your list a clear, descriptive name, like Recent Purchasers Q1 or Newsletter Subscribers. You can optionally set a membership duration if you want people to expire after a certain time, but many customer match lists remain active as long as the relationship is valid. Confirm any policy acknowledgments shown in the interface, then upload your CSV and start the process. Google will securely process and hash the data if needed, match it to signed-in users, and begin populating the list. This can take some time. You'll see a status like In Progress and later Ready, along with an estimated match size. That's it. You created a customer match list you can apply when building or refining campaigns, exclusions, or observation audiences. Keep your file updated periodically. Archive lists you no longer need and monitor match rates to improve data quality over time.